What triggered you to call American Paving Design?
Well, we had seen both their advertisements or their webpage, and then several of our neighbors had used American Paving Design for projects, and we were really impressed with the quality of the work.
What main issues did you have? Do you have any main issues on your backyard or your driveway?
Well, our driveway, the project ended up being a very large driveway area, and so there's some drainage issues, and they did a great job addressing that. And then our patio, it was essentially non-existent. It was a mess, and they did a terrific job in making it a great outdoor living space.
And would you recommend American Paving Design?
Oh, absolutely.
And how do you feel now when you drive up on your new paver driveway?
Our original driveway was damaged during Hurricane Matthew, so we had probably the worst driveway in the neighborhood. Now we've got the best driveway in the neighborhood.